A simple question changed her life forever. In the depths of a crowded subway, a stranger turned to her. "Are you happy?" he asked. The noise faded, but her heart raced. She looked down, avoiding his eyes. For years she'd said yes, yet inside a storm brewed. In that moment, everything shifted. Her mind echoed, "What if I'm not?" She got off at the next stop. No plan, no destination, just a leap. Freedom felt terrifying, yet beautiful. Sometimes one question sparks a journey. That question, it altered her path. Today she embraces the unknown. Happiness isn't a destination, it's a choice she finally makes. They did not quit. Choose. Whisper your own truth.